Ford Ranger Raptor Modified, the ultimate off-road beast. Opening shot. A modified Ford Ranger Raptor navigating rugged terrain, showcasing its enhanced capabilities. Narrator. The Ford Ranger Raptor is celebrated for its robust off-road prowess. Yet, for many enthusiasts, the factory model is just the starting point. Through thoughtful modifications, this formidable truck can be transformed into an unparalleled off-road machine. Today, we'll explore the world of modified Ford Ranger Raptors, delving into popular upgrades, their impacts on performance, and the passion driving these enhancements. Cut to a stock Ford Ranger Raptor cruising through urban streets and tackling off-road trails. The standard Ford Ranger Raptor boasts impressive features. 3.0L EcoBoost V6 engine, delivering 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless power distribution. Fox Racing suspension, designed for superior off-road handling. 33-inch all-terrain tires, providing excellent traction across diverse terrains. Multiple drive modes, including Baja mode for optimized high-speed desert driving. While these specifications are commendable, off-road aficionados often seek to elevate their vehicles further, tailoring them to specific adventures and personal preferences. Transition to close-up shots of modified Ranger Raptors, highlighting various enhancements. Here are some sought-after modifications. Suspension and lift kits. Elevating the truck enhances ground clearance, facilitating navigation over challenging obstacles. For instance, a 2.5-inch Fouts leveling kit not only improves stance but also bolsters suspension performance. Larger, aggressive tires. Upgrading to 35-inch or even 37-inch tires, such as the Nitto Ridge Grappler, enhances traction in conditions like mud, sand, and snow, while also contributing to a more assertive appearance. Performance tuning and EQ remapping. Recalibrating the engine's software can unlock additional horsepower and torque. Ford Performance Parts offers a calibration for the 3.0L EcoBoost engine, boosting output to 455 horsepower and 536 pound-feet of torque, resulting in improved throttle response and optimized shift patterns. Enhanced air intake systems. Installing cold air intakes and upgraded intercoolers ensures the engine receives cooler, denser air, improving combustion efficiency and overall performance. Enthusiasts have explored options like cold air intakes and upgraded blow-off valves to enhance airflow and engine response. Aftermarket exhaust systems. These systems not only produce a more resonant exhaust note but also reduce backpressure, aiding in performance gains. Protective armor. Adding skid plates, bull bars, and rock sliders safeguards vital components during off-road excursions, ensuring the truck withstands harsh terrains. Functional accessories. Features like snorkels enable deeper water crossings, while bed accessories, such as the Lear Electric Roll-Top Ultra Groove Bed Cover, offer secure storage solutions for gear. Showcase footage of extensively modified Ranger Raptors tackling diverse terrains, rock crawling, desert dunes, and forest trails. Some enthusiasts venture into comprehensive builds. Overlanding setups. Outfitting the Raptor with rooftop tents, additional fuel storage, and solar panels transforms it into a self-sufficient expedition vehicle, ideal for extended journeys into remote areas. Performance upgrades. Integrating components like cold air intakes, intercoolers, and performance tunes can significantly boost power and responsiveness. For example, Herod Performance offers a tune that reportedly adds substantial horsepower and torque increases. These extensive modifications push the boundaries of the Ranger Raptor's capabilities, demonstrating its adaptability and resilience. Cut to interviews with owners showcasing their customized Raptors, sharing personal experiences and motivations. The allure of modifying the Ranger Raptor stems from various factors. Enhanced off-road performance. Upgrades like lift kits and larger tires enable the truck to tackle more challenging terrains with confidence. Personal expression. Customizing the vehicle allows owners to reflect their individual styles and preferences, making their Raptor truly unique. Increased durability. Protective modifications ensure the truck endures rigorous off-road conditions, reducing the risk of damage. Adventure preparedness. Tailoring the Raptor with specific accessories equips it for diverse adventures, from weekend camping trips to extensive overlanding expeditions. Final scenes of a modified Ranger Raptor parked against a picturesque backdrop, such as a mountain range or desert landscape at sunset. For those driven by adventure and the desire for a vehicle that mirrors their spirit, modifying the Ford Ranger Raptor offers a rewarding path. It not only amplifies the truck's capabilities but also deepens the connection between driver and machine. What are your thoughts on modified Raptors? Have you considered personalizing yours? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more insightful automotive content. End scene, subscribe and follow for more.